Hey, what's going on guys? Mark here, and today we're somewhere at a park here in Daytona Beach, and I wanted to go over some stuff with you guys that I keep seeing in the forums. And basically what it is that some loud noises are coming from these wheels and rotors. Apparently when a rock gets stuck in there or something along those lines. Well, I wanted to show you how to fix that and how to hopefully get that out of there. If you do see it or hear it, you're going to immediately know something's wrong. But I just want you not to fret, because it is a simple issue that's going on inside of your rotors there. So in these rotors, in your wheels here, behind these covers, there's actually a dust cover that kind of surrounds the brakes in there. And it's to hopefully prevent rocks and whatnot from getting in there. But unfortunately, some bigger rocks that are too big to actually get themselves back out are getting back in there, and it's creating a problem for most of the Tesla owners here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off, and I'm gonna show you guys and let you hear exactly what it sounds like. So if you don't have someone with you, you can actually take your car and put it in the summons mode and walk around it and find out where it's coming from. Do you hear that? So these little covers right in here are actually going to be what your problem is. And you can probably see when I bend that in and push it, it moves and flexes like that. So how are these rocks getting in here? I'm not sure. Some of them are larger, and they're large enough that they can't get themselves out. So they rest right up against that rotor and cause those issues. So you guys might be able to hear that little rattle that's happening in there. I don't know if you hear that or not. But if you just get it just right, that rock should become unlodged. There it goes. Just from flicking it like that. And that rock's going to be in there just like that. So you're going to hear that squealing from that. The damage that could be done from it, if you don't get it out of there, you'll get a groove in the backside of your rotor that you'll never see until it's inspected. But for the most part, if you start hearing that, don't drive it around. There's some people that are reporting, hey, let's give it some gas and then hit the brakes really hard. That's not going to do anything. The rock is not on your caliper. It is actually just lodged right in here. It's usually in this bottom section right here. So pushing and pulling on this just a little bit, as long as you don't bend it in where it permanently stays against the caliper there, you're going to be okay. So just with hand force, if you can do it with that, you'll find yourself getting those rocks out of there. And as you saw, there's little bits of debris and whatnot there. So your hands are going to get dirty. You might want to use some gloves if the case comes to where you're worried about that. So I hope this video helps you guys out here. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch it. If you do have someone that has had this happen to them, let them know. Stop driving, get that rock out of there as quick as they can by just doing that little pull. And all I'm doing is pulling back and pushing like this, hopefully to get that rock to switch positions and slide itself back out. On the event that you can't get it out there, again, you can take off that wheel. You can get the rim and wheel off of there and get a little bit better access, and maybe able to use like a plastic screwdriver or a plastic pry bar and just push it back a little bit while you get it out of there. But if all else fails, take it to a shop. If you don't know how to take off the dust cover and all of that, but only using your hands, you should be able to get that out of there just like I had. This is our second one we've had in here, and hopefully no more. We'll see if that works. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing. I hope you guys appreciate this video. We'll put out some more videos for you, and I will see you on the next one.